how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and find whatever email you want. So go to your inbox, and we're going for this one over here, the first email. What you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and create your email, choose whoever you want to send it to, and once you've done that, add your subject. Then find your email. What you're gonna have to do is scroll it down like here. You're gonna have to hold the email itself until it's gonna look like this, one item. Then just go ahead and scroll it here and drop the message, and it should automatically attach. If you want to get multiple at once, you should be able to do this checklist. But if you want to do different emails as well, like drafts over here, what you're gonna have to do is just go back to the new email and just open up the email or the new creation in a new window like so. It's gonna look like this. But once you do that, just go ahead and go back to the Outlook, of course. Let's say you want the draft over here. So basically the same thing to whoever you want to send it to, a subject, but you just go ahead and drag the item and you should be able to see it over here. Again, if you want multiple, you should be able to do that as well. As you can see, we got 2 items and we can still attach as much as we want. But that is pretty much how you attach an email to another email in Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.